Welcome back for more Wall Street Confidential with Jim Cramer.
Simon.
Lehman Brothers raising $6 billion. When will it end?
Well, Lehman says that it's now over. One of the things that has typified this period is that no one has been able, who's been caught, no one who's been caught has been able to call a bottom, but they all seem inclined to do so. And I just want to back up for a second. I don't really care that Lehman's a good firm, that Dick Fold is really smart, that Callan could be a good CFO.
And it's a great brand name.
Yes, a great brand. I don't even want to debate that. What I am saying is that the pattern of Bank of America and Wachovia and Lehman, formerly Bear, the pattern of Nat City, anyone who was caught, typically with bonds that had a lot of home equity loan in it, or bonds that had negative amortization in it, that Wachovia got caught with a portfolio that anybody who's been caught has been unable to find a bottom. So I just think that you're throwing good money after bad until proven guilty. In other words, see, my strategy is that, and I try to have strategies that keep me out of trouble. My strategy is that everyone's failed, so they'll continue to fail until I find someone who succeeded. When I find someone who succeeded, then I'm going to have a different attitude on these videos. But right now, Lehman is in no position to say it doesn't need any more capital because they were, although they would deny that they point blank used that term. I certainly got comfort from them in their previous capital raise that they were out of the woods. So those who have been out of the woods have remained out of the woods, and those who have been in the woods have not been able to find their way out of the woods. And I look at Washington Mutual when they did their big refi. The stock went to 12, and now it's at 6. And why it went to 12 was I have no idea. Maybe short selling, or more importantly, people said, well, they don't need any more capital. And those who think they don't need any more capital are betting on one thing, which is that the HGX is going to go up or that the housing crisis is over. The reason why none of these is out of the woods has not necessarily have anything to do with their finances, but their finances are based on a bottoming in housing, a bottoming in house price depreciation. Sure. I'm not seeing anything that tells me there's a bottoming in house price depreciation nationally. There are some regions which are bottoming, but then there's other regions that are rolling over. So without a bottom in housing, you can't speculate in these.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. It's Jim Cramer saying, if your stock needs capital, time to get rid of it. Stay tuned for more Wall Street Confidential here at thestreet.com.